What's up guys? My name is Jerome Sangalang and I'm a professional events host singer. I do debuts, weddings, and also I do perform on kiddie parties because I'm part of One Groove PH. But enough about me because today I just received a gift from McJim. Well, tingnan natin guys kung ano kaya to. Medyo maliit siya eh. Medyo maliit yung packaging niya. Ooh, small box. So let's see. It's a wallet! Well, sa kulay pa lang, parang thank you, McJim. Thank you for this one. Alright, sa kulay pa lang gusto ko na siya. And guys, look. Sobrang handy. Kasyang-kasya sa palad ko. Alright, so tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. Whoops! Okay, lagayan ng cards. Pero parang wala, meron siyang photo window. Okay, lagayan ng pictures. Pictures ng girlfriend or ng family picture. Alright. So, pero parang wala siyang lagayan ng money. Oop! Oh! Alright guys, meron siyang pa-surprise. May pa-surprise si McJim dito banda. Pag binuksan mo siya, so kung makita mo, ganyan lang siya. Pag binuksan mo siya, parang lagayan lang siya ng cards. Tapos lagayan lang siya ng picture. So isipin mo, parang paano mo ilalagay yung pera mo? Ifo-fold mo para ilagay mo yung pera mo dito. Parang malulukot yung pera. Meron pa naman sa atin mga OCs, di ba? Ayaw nilang nalulukot yung pera ng like ifo-fold nila. Pero nung finlip ko to, then, pag inopen mo to, dun pala yung lagayan ng pera, guys. And, guys, with this one, yung feel ng leather niya, sobrang smooth. Alright? Sobrang smooth niya. And, nakalagay dito na it is made of soft cow leather. And that means yung quality niya sobrang ganda. Pwede siyang tumagal like 5 years, 10 years. Kasi before, I can still remember na yung dad ko, meron siyang McJim wallet na hanggang ngayon, gamit-gamit pa niya kasi sobrang tibay because of the genuine leather na quality ng years and the quality is so nice. So thank you so much. And with that, this has been Jerome Sangalang and see you again sa ating product review from McJim.